Bernhard Schulte Shipmanagement is the second largest ship management company in the world. We employ some 1,500 people ashore and almost 20,000 on board of more than 600 ships under our management.
In shipping, there is no typical day actually. So, okay, for sure, a lot of emails, link calls, a lot of meetings. We have a lot of strategic discussions as well, but for sure every day is different. Well, some of our biggest challenges here in BSM is to be able to communicate effectively in different cultures, different locations and different time zones, and to be able to communicate both ashore and with the vessels on board.
In an organization like ours, where we operate in all time zones, in 25 locations, without the right systems, we cannot really deliver whatever we promise to our clients. So in order to be competitive, we need to implement and adopt the very best systems.
Our previous IT infrastructure was disintegrated, difficult to scale and rather expensive to maintain, and the support from our technology provider was limited. As a result, the business was suffering from a lack of automation, poor data quality, low productivity, and inconsistent performance. With the help of Microsoft, we managed the change process without any disruption to the company's business. The reason to choose Microsoft was that the Microsoft people were very well prepared to listen to us and to our business needs before they started to develop and to propose solutions. At the same time, they had all the applications our organization needed.
Microsoft Services team is something we rely on pretty heavily because of the expertise they bring on various subjects. Because of our move to now totally Microsoft platforms, we have application side on Microsoft.NET, we have SharePoint on the collaboration side, document management side, we have SQL Server, we have Microsoft Exchange in Office 365. So in each one of these areas, Microsoft was able to bring their best consultants very quickly to us, and who actually spent some time with us, going over all our issues, all our future deployments, and giving us very solid recommendations how to go about it. So they helped us with the full roadmap here. The IT infrastructure brought very good user experience in play.
Employee retention and productivity has increased significantly since implementing the Microsoft tools, and there is a direct correlation with this. Employees' feedback is extremely positive, and we managed to break out of a siloed approach by communicating and having transparency across business. By using Link or SharePoint, employees have a choice and they can communicate reflecting their cultural expectations.
We operate in 25 locations in all time zones. Using Link alone helped us to reduce our communication expenses by 25%. In addition to that, by moving to the cloud technologies, we saved significantly on our capital expenditure budget.
Cloud-based infrastructure gives us the flexibility we want to plan any scalability in the hardware side on the physical data centers. It takes us weeks and sometimes months. In the cloud, we could do this currently at 48 hours, within 48 hours.
Moving to cloud was a transformational change for us. By using those technologies, we managed to save on servers, electricity, other hardware, administration. We can now use those savings to invest more in our people systems and shape the future of the company.
Enterprise agreement gives us the ability again to deal with one vendor, one agreement, where we can have a quick single-page overview of how much we have committed and how much we are spending on an annual basis, and how much in the next 3 years we'll be spending.
Our cooperation with Microsoft will continue to have an impact on our productivity and efficiency, and will support the company's future growth.